Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how to thread your industrial sewing machine, and I'll be making use of an Emel EM8500 for this tutorial, and this same process works for EM8900 and EM8700. Now, starting with this thread stand, we have two holes here. One hole is for the thread that goes directly to the sewing machine, while the second hole is for the thread that goes directly to wind your bobbin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to grab your thread and you pass this thread directly into this hole. You pass it right from the back and you grab it from the front down to this thread guide. There is a little hole at the back of this thread guide. Just insert the thread into this hole. You pull it from the front. You come by this side and slant the thread right here. Can you see, into this tension? Now please, I've seen several videos telling you don't need to pass the thread into this little tension here. Please, that is a wrong process, because this tension is very important, as this tension right here, they all work together. You do away with that procedure, and this is the right procedure for you, because your sewing machine will work perfectly and you are going to get a nice, smooth and accurate stitch. What you need to do next is to insert your thread into this thread guide. Now pull down the thread and insert the thread from bottom to top. The first thread is from top to bottom, while the second hole is from bottom to top. Can you see? So what you need to do next is to insert your thread into the tension and make sure you are putting it into the tension properly. Can you see? Then you place the thread into this hook here. Now you can now go ahead to insert your thread into the thread take-up lever. Please make sure you pass it into this thread take-up lever, because without this thread take-up lever you cannot get any stitch, because this thread take-up lever works together with the needle. It is the one that feeds the thread to the needle. So there is another thread guide here, so make sure you insert it into this thread guide here and down into the needle. Make sure you are inserting your thread from the left to the right and you pull out your thread. Now we've just threaded this sewing machine the right and proper way. Please follow this instruction and you are going to achieve a nice and accurate stitches. And also there is a bobbin case under the sewing machine. I'm going to be showing you how to insert your bobbin into your bobbin case. Please take note of this hole, this slant hole here. Can you see this hole that is slant? So you want to insert your bobbin and grab your thread, pull it into this slant hole like this, and you slide it under this plate here. We've just inserted this bobbin the right way, and I'll be showing you how to insert this bobbin into your sewing machine as well. Look at this cuff here. Now you want to place it into your sewing machine just like this. This will be facing the up, while this hook here is just for you to be able to hold it and insert it into your sewing machine. So just grab this hook this way, this clip, grab it this way like this, and you insert it into your sewing machine. If you look directly under this, this is where the bobbin is going to fix into this hook. Look at this hook here. So once you grab this clip here, make sure you are holding this clip, and can you see that circle I just showed you facing up, and this is the hook. So you will insert this circle into this hook here. Once the bobbin is inserted into the sewing machine correctly, you are going to hear a click sound, which is just for you to know you've inserted it properly. Can you hear the click sound? Let me do that again. Can you hear the sound click now? So that means my bobbin has just been inserted properly into the sewing machine. Now you close this side plate. So what we need to do next is just to bring out the lower thread. So for you to bring out the lower thread, you hold on to this thread like this. If you do not hold on to this thread and you try to use your hand wheel, the thread is going to pull out from the needle. You turn the hand wheel towards you slowly into this sewing machine just to pull out the lower thread from the bobbin case. Can you see the lower thread just came out from the bobbin case? So that is the right way in case. Can you see what we just have here? Can you see like this? This is the lower thread coming out and this is the upper thread. So you are ready to sew with this step and process. That is all about threading an industrial sewing machine. Please, if you find any value in this video, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.